Chapter 11 Continuation. Pet birds. Doves and pigeons. They belong to the family Columbidae. Pigeons are larger in size than doves, so that is the difference. Generally, we say doves and pigeon for the same thing, but pigeons are larger than doves. First one is diamond dove. It is originated in Australia and it has a grey color with white spots on the wings. During breeding season, male dove develop a red ring around the eyes. You can see it in the picture. They have a length of 13.5 centimeters. Incubation period is very less, 13 days. Red turtle doves, laughing doves and mourning doves are other type of doves. Red turtle dove is the first one. This is a red turtle dove. Laughing doves, they have a sound similar to the laugh, that is why they are known as laughing doves. Then mourning doves. Pigeons, fan-tail pigeon, they have a tail which looks like a fan. Then there is king pigeon, which are very expensive. So this is king pigeon, this is poulters, and this is fan-tail pigeon. Poulters have a enlarged crop. Varieties of poulters are English poulter, Saxon poulter. Female pigeons lay eggs by 8th month and their incubation period is 18 days. Now finches, they are seed eaters and they have a hard bill. They are least expensive and they cannot be tamed. Coming to the fancy chicken breeds, they are small in size and the birds and their eggs are costly. The management is almost similar to the chicken. Varieties are frizzled, silky, Polish, bantams, sultan and Brahma. This one is frizzled. The peculiarity is the hair. They have an Asian descent and is purely an exhibition breed. They are very docile. Next is Brahma. They have comparatively more weight. This is Sultan and this is Silky. They have a silky hair or feathers. Asian bird, they have a very stunning appearance and the fluffy feathers are there. They are a very good pet and their feathers are not waterproof. They have 5 toes on each foot and the outer 2 toes are feathered. Their skin, beak, bones and meat is bluish black in color. Birds are seen in white, blue and grey colored ones are present. Polish, their origin is Netherlands. They have a crescent of feathers on head and it resembles a cap or a hat and it covers almost the entire head. In addition to the crest, they have a small V-shaped comb and white earlobe. They may be beard or not beard. They lay white colored eggs and they won't show broodiness. And this one is bantam varieties. Coming to the housing of pet birds, commercial cages are available, but for permanent habitation it is not good. Small cages will not be having enough space for the birds and it will also lead to boredom due to loneliness. Cage requirements. Cage can be made entirely of wire so that it will be giving visibility, but less protection will be there. So this is wire cages, but protection will be very less. Space requirement is 2 into 3 into 4 feet per pair for smaller parrots and 4 into 4 into 4 for big parrots. Box cage is an opaque box constructed with thin wood or metal. This is simple to construct and also it gives much protection. Another house which commonly used is wooden cages with small doors and it is kept on a height. Commonly pigeons we use this type of cage. This is box cage. Coming to the last part, diseases. Sore crop is a major disease which affects pet birds. So the main reason for sore crop is that feeding of too thick feed, overfeeding the chick, which will result in the stretching of the crop, and crop will lose the elasticity. Crop should be emptied in every 24 hours. Other reasons are bacterial, viral or fungal infections, foreign body impaction. Next disease is egg bound. It's a common and potentially serious condition in female birds. It's the inability to pass egg. The egg will be stuck inside the cloaca or anywhere in the reproductive tract. It is common in small birds, and breaking of the egg inside the reproductive tract can lead to infections and finally death of the bird. Causes: low calcium level or hypocalcemia, limited sunlight, malnutrition or protein deficiency, sedentary lifestyle. Clinical signs are loss of appetite, depression, abdominal straining is a major clinical strain. Then they sit fluffed at the bottom of the cage. Another disease is psittacosis, parrot fever or ornithosis. It is caused by a bacteria, Chlamydia psittaci. It is seen in parrots, macaws, cockatiels, budgerie's and pigeons. It is a zoonotic disease, and aviculturists and doctors can also get the disease. Signs in birds, it include inflamed eyes, difficulty in breathing, watery droppings and green urates. In humans, it causes pneumonia. So this is the green urates. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.